Welcome back, sixth graders. We are continuing learning about understanding Minnesota's past. Last week we talked about 8 different questions, and we will learn about 2 of them today. So the first question was, can you read a petroglyph like a book? And the next one is it important to listen to elders, yes or no? We will be reading about elders and petroglyphs, and we will find answers to these questions. So here are the terms that we're learning about: petroglyphs, elders, perspective, hypothesis, oral history, artifacts, archaeologists, scientific method. But today we'll focus on petroglyph and elders. All right, in your assignment, you're going to be doing a little bit of reading and composing. And this exercise is called composing with keywords. So here's the directions. It says read the terms in the box to the right. Here they are right here: petroglyph, rock, and tell. Highlight or underline these words in the text below. That means you got to find them in this text here. Then, using the context, write your own sentence or sentences with these terms in the empty cell here. And then you'll repeat this process on the rest of the assignment. So let's start. So here are the terms: petroglyph, rock, and tell. And as you're reading this passage, you would highlight or underline these terms. So here's an example. The Jeffers Petroglyphs Historic Site is one of the most important collections of ancient rock carvings in North America. Here's rock. These carvings, called petroglyph, underline it, can tell us much about the people who made them, how they lived, and what they may have believed. The Jeffers site has about 5,000 carvings. So here's a definition of a petroglyph: a rock carving made by people. Okay, so we highlighted and underlined them. Now we need to put them in our own sentence. So after rereading this again, the Jeffers Petroglyphs Historic Site is one of the most important collections of ancient rock carvings in North America. These carvings, called petroglyphs, can tell us much about the people who made them, how they lived, and what they may have believed. The Jeffers site has about 5,000 carvings. How can I use these 3 terms in a sentence? Well, I came up with a petroglyph is an ancient rock carving that tells us about people who made them. I also underlined these 3 terms that I used, and I composed my sentence. And that's what I would like you to do with the rest of this assignment as you learn about petroglyphs and elders. So this first one is done for you. You may copy it into your assignment. Both pages look like this. So we just did this one right over here, and then I want you to continue learning about details about petroglyphs. In this section, you'll be learning about elders. So the name of our assignment is To Petroglyph and Elder Composing with Keywords. If there's time after that, we're going to reflect in our anticipation guide what petroglyph, answering the questions of petroglyph and elder. Is it important to listen to elders, yes or no? And can you read a petroglyph like a book? We will do that in this assignment. And what we're going to be doing in here is making a circle graph about these terms, and then we'll answer the question. So here's an example of a circle map, and I will explain this a little bit later. All right, everybody, have a great day.